faceplate here. All right, so let's do it. Screwdriver. The trick is we're trying to install. We're gonna try to install it right here. All right, to open it. So let's go. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna take this one here. We're gonna insert it right in the middle. All right, and boom, open it. So that's the way really to, to remove your faceplate. All right, and then the rest, well, you're sliding here, and bingo, that's how it is. Thanks for following us.